Tēnā koutou katoa e hoa mā. Kua pēhea tō wiki. Ka rawe. Haere mai ki No Frills Te Reo Māori. I've got an awesome tip for you this week. Catch this, whakarongo mai. One of the biggest challenges I face is not pronunciation, writing, reading Te Reo Māori like it might be for some. This is my challenge. Kanohi ki te kanohi is understanding it when it's spoken. If somebody speaks e Te Reo Māori all of a sudden in front of me, I catch their first, second or third word, I'm trying to translate it. All the while they're 3 or 4 sentences through and they've actually asked me a pātai. So they go quiet and I go, oh, ka pai e hoa. Hoping that I've answered it correctly, which I usually haven't. You've got to have a sense of humour in this journey. So what I encourage you to do, e hoa mā, head to YouTube, type in Te Karere, TVNZ, one of the lovely presenters there, usually Scotty Morrison, our friend, comes up and shares something that's happened in the news that day or that night. If you can commit to this 4 or 5 minutes, that's all these clips are, every day, it'll do wonders like it has for me. Watch it first with captions on, so it gives you an understanding of what's being said, gives you some context. Now this is the tip, listen to it again, take the captions off, slow the speed down from normal to 0.75. All of a sudden your brain's going to go, it's going to take a breath. If you're anything like me, you're going to become less stressed and you'll be very surprised at how many words you start to pick up when the speed slowed down to 0.75. E hoa mā, I'm going to give an example right now and you listen, whakarongo mai ki tēnei. Listen to the change of the speed and how many words you'll start to slowly pick up. If you can do this even just once a week, once a day, it'll do wonders. That's my tip e hoa mā. Ka rawe.
Ki atu I te koutou a tame Malcolm e mahi ana I roto I te kaupapa e kai ngākau nui te ana e ia ara I roto I te tiaki tai au. Ka tahi anō te uri o te arawa ka whakawhiwhia ki tētahi tohu e te mana tū ahu mahi. I haere a Harata Brown ki ngā kōke I tanga o roto e hu I te tonga o rotorua ki te mātakitaki a tame Malcolm e mahi ana I roto I te wao tapunui a tāne.